Copy that. All personnel report to station.
Comms check, Diver 1, status.
Ready, Team Alpha. Deploying now.
Watch the waves on entry.
Secure the deck. Rough. All right, bring it up slowly. Hold the tension. Easy now, easy. Bring it left, slowly. All right, bring it back slowly.
Looks like the frame is bent. This is gonna need a lot of work.
Okay, bring it down slow. Keep it coming. All right, hold it there. Easy, easy, and set it down.
This suspension arm is completely corroded.
Yeah, look at the state of the exhaust manifold, too. It's totally rusted through.
This suspension arm is completely corroded.
Yeah, look at the state of the exhaust manifold, too. It's totally rusted through.
This salt damage is extensive. We need to carefully disconnect these fuel lines before we can lift the engine block out. Applying assembly oil to the bearings. Now, using the calibrated torque wrench, we secure the bearing cap to the precise factory setting.
And now for the moment of truth, carefully lowering the resurfaced cylinder head onto the new gasket. Alignment is everything here.
We're draining the contaminated fluid now. This corrosion on the gearbox housing is extensive, so I need to carefully check the drive shaft alignment.
The heat lamps activate the ceramic properties of the clear coat, resulting in this flawless, ultra-glossy surface. It's this attention to detail that sets a professional restoration apart, ensuring every panel gap is screw. Attention to detail is crucial here. We meticulously smooth the premium Carpeto insulation in screw. Attention to detail is crucial here. We meticulously smooth the premium Carpeto insulation in